All right, everybody, we're looking at something really special today. Jumping right in, we're looking at that Milwaukee M12 fuel 1/4-inch hex hydraulic driver, aka the Surge. And some quick specs on this thing, and then we'll jump right into some clips of just what this thing can do, and some steel and how loud it is. You're looking at a 4-mode drive control, 0 to 3200 RPM, 0 to 3400 on the IPM. You got 450 inch-pounds of sustained fastening torque, and this unit comes in at 5.2 inches in length, about 2.4 pounds. So let's just take a look here. Comes with the awesome contractor bag Milwaukee provides, embroidered M12 logo. Again, tells you what kind of quality. I mean, everything's well done. The zippers are very stout, and I really like these. I keep everything in these and in my toolbox. It just works out for me. So included in the kit, obviously, our instruction booklet, a M12 charger, M12 alone. It's not a M18 M12 combo. It's strictly M12. We got us a couple of 2.0 lithium batteries and the unit itself. And I gotta say, let's throw a battery in, see what kind of, oh yeah, real nice. Real nice. And so here's that 4-mode drive control right here. So 1, 2, 3, and drill. Got your belt clip, battery indicator on the side, forward reverse switches, LED light, really liking that. And of course the quick chuck. It's a brushless motor. You know, I run the M18 impact driver, not the Surge model, but the M18. And this is quite a bit quieter. Is that a word? More quiet? Yeah. Anyway, so let's jump in here and we'll take a look. Part number is 2551-20. I think we've got a little reflection. Let's see if I can zoom in there. 2551-20. Of course, in the kit form, it's 2551-22. And that's your two 2-amp-hour batteries, charger, contractor's bag, and of course the Surge itself. So here we go. And we're using the new 12-volt Surge 1/4-inch hex hydraulic driver. All right, we're going to start with the M4. slowing the bit speed down on this one just a little bit. This is a pretty good size hole. Let's do her one more time.